Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So I'm really excited because today we're opening up Variety Fun, which is my favorite snack subscription. Before we get started, I just feel the need to give you guys a computer update, even though you probably don't care at all. My computer's still in the shop. I was able to get a friend's computer to edit the videos I've already filmed, and now that computer won't hook up to the internet for some reason, even though all my other devices will. So I am not able to upload those videos at the moment, so I'm trying out this phone thing again, so hopefully everything comes out okay, but if there's any weird glitches or anything like that, or weird pauses, just so you know, I'm trying my best. But anyways, let's get back into the subscription. Just wanted to give a quick disclaimer, even though I know you guys are all so kind and don't care. But like I said, Variety Fun is a snack subscription. It is so good. They offer a few different varieties and sizes. I'm gonna link their website down below. It is seriously great, and now they gave me a promo code to share with you guys. It used to be for 20% off your first box, but now it's for 30% off your first box. So I will link that promo code down below, or I'll link their website down below and list the promo code, which by the way is not affiliated, it's just to help you guys out. So definitely take advantage of that, save 30% off a box. It's already pretty affordable for what you get. You get so many snacks. Like I said, you get to choose the size, but some of the boxes come with 40 snacks, and it's a great deal. So I can't wait to see what we got this month. And look how cute the box is, by the way. I know I already showed you, but I didn't point that out. It's like colorful and fun. Just an exciting box to get. And it's great if you have like families and pack lunches or pack like snacks for work or just anyone. Like I don't have kids or bring food to work, but I still enjoy it. Anyways, let me get this open and let's get started on the unboxing. Oh wow. So when I open it up, this is what I see. It says taste, explore, enjoy, and it is seriously packed with snacks. I can't wait. Oh, what am I doing opening this hungry? I'm gonna eat all of it. Oh, and this is super nice. They just have a little note here that says, "Hi Kitty, hope you're enjoying the start of pumpkin spice season." I love pumpkin spice lattes. I never was a pumpkin spice latte girl, but I am so that girl this year. So they said, "Hope you enjoy your October snack box as much as they do." Sure, I will enjoy it, so let's get started. First thing I actually see two things by this company. This is by My Super Cookies. These are organic, and one is in Chocolate Heroes and the other is in Honey Heroes. Look how cute this packaging is. Both have 120 calories, USDA Smart Snack Compliance. I didn't even know what that was. Awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so many things by this company. So this is Abby's Cookies and Wholesome Delicious Chocolate Chip. Yum. And then we have some Remy's Graham Crackers, cinnamon and chocolate. Oh yeah, these only have 110 calories. I've tried one of the flavors before. I think I've tried cinnamon. I don't think I've tried chocolate before, so that's awesome. And then we have honey graham crackers as well. And then Abby's Cookies and Shortbread. That sounds so good. Oh my god, I love having little snack packs like this to have, because like you get to indulge, but like it limits you so you don't like eat a whole entire pack of cookies, you know, you just eat the bag. Yum. And it's not too many calories either. This one's 150. Ooh, Keebler bite-sized cookies, and this is made with milk chocolate M&M minis. Oh, that's all sounding so good. Oh, I love these. Cheez-It White Cheddar. These are so good. You guys, I think I like these better than the original Cheez-Its. They're amazing. Oh, I like these too. I've tried these ones before. I think I might have gotten them in a past box. This is the Andy Caps Hot Fries Corn and Potato Snacks. I've never heard of them until the last time I got them, and I tried them, and they're really good. Like, not too hot, but like, just right. We have some Zoo Animal Crackers. Classic snack. Oh, a Nutri-Grain bar and strawberry. I love strawberry bars. Yum. I haven't had a Nutri-Grain bar in forever. Oh, we got some original Cheez-Its too. So this is the Cheez-Its original, made with 100% real cheese. Yum. Even though I like the other ones better, I still like these. Oh, this is cool. I didn't know Nutri-Grain did this. So this Nutri-Grain Bite, soft baked mini breakfast bars and strawberry blast. So I guess this is like just little Nutri-Grain bars. That sounds really good. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm like saying I love everything, but I do. This is all, they pack this with such good snacks. I love Pirate's Booty. This is the Pirate's Booty Aged White Cheddar. This will always remind me of my mom. She used to have this in the house. I think it's because it's probably like, it's like lower calorie. It's baked rice and corn puffs, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, gluten-free. Only 70 calories for this whole thing. Nice. We've got some traditional Chex Mix. Always good to have. My favorite piece is like that brown piece that's in it. We have some Goldfish baked snack crackers in cheddar. I think these are probably the original ones, right? Another classic snack. Talking about classic snacks, this reminds me of being a kid. Cracker Jack, the original. Still comes with a little prize. I think I got this before and I had like a little sticker inside. Ooh, and I see a couple fruit snacks. I'm like a child. I love fruit snacks. So fruit snacks can be for anyone. The Welch's Family Farmer owned mixed fruit snacks made with real fruit. We have 2 of them here. Love these. Oh, yummy. I see some Pringles. I think we have it in 2 kinds. Okay, we have 2 of the original Pringles in like a little pack. I love this. How you get like a serving size of it. These are so good. And we have a Fiber One Brownie Chocolate Fudge 70 calorie bar. Yes, that's a perfect little dessert. I've never had this. I didn't know Fiber One did this. How much fiber is in it? So it has 5 grams of net carbs, which isn't bad, only 2 grams of sugar and 6 grams of fiber. Nice. I love Cliff Bars, and this is one of my favorite kinds. When I was in pharmacy school, I like lived off Cliff Bars. This is in chocolate chip. I haven't had one in so long, but these keep me full for a while and they have a lot of protein in them. Next up, we have the Lucky Charms Soft Baked Treat in Marshmallow Blondie. I had one of these before. They're super good. We have a Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey, 16 grams of whole grain. So there's still a decent amount left. This is like endless snacks. There's 40 in here, I believe. So the Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Peanut Bars, I really like these. I used to like them a lot when I was a kid. We had them in the house. And a Lara Bar, I love Lara Bars too. Peanut butter chocolate chip. And these are great. They're only made with 4 ingredients. So that's awesome. I think they're made with like figs or something. Let's see. Yeah, it's made with, oh, dates I meant, not figs. Dates and figs I confuse sometimes. So dates, peanuts, semi-sweet, chocolate chips, and sea salt. Nice. Starburst Summer Splash. So a whole pack of Starburst. Man, there's so much. The chewy peanut butter chocolate chip. Throwback snack again. This sounds so good. The Kashi chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar. I've never had this. I've had a Kashi bar, I believe, in the past, but it definitely wasn't this one. I don't think it was a chewy granola bar. This sounds so good and right up my alley. I love snacks like that. We have a chewy chocolate chip granola bar. Ooh, I haven't had one of these in a while either. Grandma's vanilla sandwich cream cookies. These are so good. This is a good size of them too. Speaking of cookies, I see another pack of cookies in here. We have some Oreos. This is a pack of 6 Oreos. Yum. And then we have some Grandma's oatmeal raisin cookies. I love the Grandma's soft cookies like this. I haven't had like these kinds, but I have this kind recently, and these are so good. We have an original Rice Krispie treat. Ooh, I used to love these for breakfast. Belvita snack crackers or breakfast crackers, and these are in the blueberry flavor. Okay, they're considered breakfast biscuits. So there's 4 what am I saying? Breakfast biscuits. Sounds like I was saying the lady part there. And then we have the toasty real peanut butter sandwich crackers. Those are always good too. And then we got 2 more things. One is an Airhead in the grape flavor. Those are always fun. And then, last but not least, we have the toast cheese sandwich crackers and real peanut butter. So on a different brand of the peanut butter crackers, and like this one has like the cheddar sandwich crackers on it. So yeah, that is everything. That was so much good stuff, you guys. I have so many snacks on this table in front of me. I'm like, what am I going to eat first? You guys have to let me know out of all of this, what is your favorite snack? Or just let me know what your favorite snack is in general. I would love to hear and learn more about what you love. Maybe try your favorite snacks as well. But again, I will link this box down below, and I will also link the promo code. So I got the one where you get 40 snacks. Like I said, they have different sizes, and then they also offer like a fun and like a healthy version. I might be saying the names wrong. So you get to choose like what types of snacks and the quantity. And again, you can save 30% off your first snack box if you are interested. But I think this was so great. It's always so fun to open, and then I am just like totally like hooked up on snacks. My pantry becomes full of good stuff, ready to go, ready to eat. It's so nice to have. Like I said, this would make a great thing for especially families, like when they pack school lunches. So many snacks, and I think there's something here for everyone in the family, you know? Like I like all of this. I'll eat all of it. But like, you know, even if you have some picky ones in your family, I think there's something here for everyone. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much. Don't forget, I do have several giveaways going on. I've been forgetting to mention that. Those will be linked down below as well. But anyways, like I said, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.